Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. Now, you may be wondering why I'm wearing the same hoodie over and over in like 10 videos. And the reason why is because I'm shooting all of those videos in the same day, okay? So today what I want to talk about is how you can make money without a website, driving free traffic to make money with Clickbank, okay? So, Clickbank is, if you don't know what Clickbank is an online platform, an online affiliate platform where you can sell affiliate products, digital affiliate products, and make commissions. Okay, so you're selling other people's products, or you can even sell your products on Clickbank. It's up to you. But usually, what people do as affiliates, we sell other people's products and make a commission out of it. Okay, now you can totally promote Clickbank for free, okay? But it's if you know how. You can make a lot of money using three free methods online on YouTube, okay? And I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube and Clickbank together to start making commissions, okay? Now, there's actually one tool which I highly recommend to get, which is called Vidler. Now, the link is in the description below. It's a $47 one-time payment. And I know this video says for free, and you can still do it for free, but that is optional and it's highly, highly recommended. And the reason why I highly recommend it is because I'll tell you my story, okay? So, I started online several years ago, and when I first started, I was cranking out these YouTube videos. Okay, I was doing YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video, but no one was seeing my content, and I was doing my best to SEO optimize it and rank it and do all of this stuff. But you know, one or two used to get like a bit of views here and there, but like most of my videos would never ever rank, and that is a huge issue for many people. And it's because they don't have the advantage of using tools and softwares to be able to rank. They don't want to spend any money, okay? But that's what I learned along my journey, is that you have to be willing to spend at least a bit of money and invest a bit of money, because there's going to be tools and softwares that you can literally get access to that will make life so much more easier. It will make your business so much easier to run, so much easier to build, okay? So basically, there are a lot of crap out there as well, that unfortunately, you know, I tested out. I believe in testing. I believe in testing and seeing what works, what doesn't work. And I don't always put my bets up on something, and I don't, I'm not like, oh yeah, like optimistic, and I'm not pessimistic. I just test out. I buy the thing, I see if it works. If it works, then I continue to use it. And that's exactly what I've done now with this software, Vidly. Okay, the link is in the description below this video. So if you want to get access to it, click the link, and it will take you to the page where you can buy it. Okay, so only $47, okay, one-time payment. Now there is a pro version which you have to pay monthly for, and that's like if you want to take your video marketing to the next level. But just the basic version is just freaking amazing. Okay, if I tell you how it has transformed my results with YouTube, like it literally has. Okay, it's only been a couple of days so far, and every video of mine has literally ranked for the keyword that I have chosen. And basically what it does is it picks, it first of all there's a keyword tool in the back office. Okay, so it gives you a keyword tool, the perfect keywords that you can pick, that people are searching for. And then what it does is it generates a code, and you basically put that code into your title and your description, and then it almost instantly ranks your videos. Now the whole idea about this is you need to be searching for keywords that are low hanging fruit. Now what I mean by this is, by searching for low hanging fruit, which are basically keywords that are easy to rank for and that get a few, like maybe a couple of hundred searches a month, or maybe 100 searches a month, even 50 searches a month. I mean, 50 doesn't sound like a lot, but when you've got 50 targeted searches a month, you're going to get some leads or sales. Okay, now it could be more than 50, you know what I mean? But the point I'm trying to make is that if you're ranking, people are going to see you. Okay, even if it's tiny little keywords that get hardly any views, they get a couple of hundred a month, but you're ranking in the search engines, your video will be shown. Okay, and that's the difference between like no one seeing you and maybe a tiny people, maybe a bit of people seeing you, like a couple of hundred people watching your videos a month, but you're still generating that traffic. And there's not only one video that you can do a whole bunch. You're not going to be focusing only on one video. You're going to hopefully be doing, you know, lots of videos every day or every week, or how many you know, the more obviously work you put in, the better results. Okay, so how does this fit into Clickbank? Well, what you could do is you could create these videos, okay, rank them on YouTube, and then put your affiliate link in the description below, and that's how you basically make a commission and make money. It's just simple as that. Now, also there are some affiliate links that when people go to, they sign in as a lead capture page. Okay, so they sign in as a lead capture page. Now you don't obviously get the lead, but you know, the person that you're promoting the product for, they get the lead. But then guess what? Because it's with your link, their email is cookied. Your link is cookied to them, which means anytime that they purchase, you get the commission. So even if they purchase much later on, which some people do, they purchase much later on, when they get the email follow-ups, you will get a commission for that. So that's really powerful. That's a very powerful way that you can make money with Clickbank and YouTube completely for free. Okay, the reason why I highly suggest that you get the $47 software is because it's just going to do like some awesome work for you. Like without that software, it's going to be much harder to rank your first of all, it's going to be hard to find those keywords, those money making keywords, and it's going to be hard to rank as well. So like it's a $47 one-time investment, and then from then on it's going to be free, or you could do it just completely free and just, you know, find out how to do SEO, find out how to optimize your website, not your website, your video, and you can do it that way. Okay, it's completely up to you, but I highly trust me, I've done it that way before, and it has taken a lot of my time, because I'm telling you now, my videos were not getting any views whatsoever. I thought I was doing the right way. I thought that, you know, my videos will be seen, but I wasn't getting any views, unfortunately. And a lot of the big channels, or the channels that are getting views, they're actually using softwares and tools for them to rank. So it's not just about creating a video and uploading it. No, there's more that goes into it. Okay, but with this software, literally, this is all you need to be able to rank your YouTube videos and make money with Clickbank. Okay, and you know, it's a very small investment. I mean, like, you're not paying for a website, you're not paying for paid traffic. Other than that, you know, you pay the $47, and then the rest is free. Now, there's another option which you can do. There's another tool actually that you can use, which also costs money. It's a monthly fee, but again, it's an option. You don't have to do it. If you don't want to show your face, and if you don't want people to hear your voice, it's actually a software called Vidnami. So Vidnami is just freaking amazing. Like, if you see the quality of the videos that it creates quality videos within seconds. It basically puts it all together and creates like these really nice images, video clips, and images with your text. So you write text, and then also you can add a voice, but it doesn't have to be your voice. It can be your voice, or it can be like a robot voice. If you don't want anyone to hear, you can just add a robot voice to it. And again, like, takes minutes to create that video, and then you know you could be literally ranking it with Vidly, whatever, and then yeah, just making money again with Clickbank. But you don't have to do this. You can just switch on your webcam like I'm doing right now and just do a video. But you know, if you're going to do it that way, then obviously you need to know a bit about your topic that you're talking about. You know, because in Clickbank there's lots of different niches that you can get involved with. There's internet marketing, there's health and fitness, there's dating, relationships, there is dog training. There's so many things in Clickbank. Like you can just search for any product and then you know, make videos on that product. So, and the good thing is you don't even have to do this just with Clickbank. I know obviously you're watching this for Clickbank, but you can pretty much do this with any affiliate marketing company. You can do it with Digistore24, you can do it with Amazon, eBay. Actually, Amazon and eBay is really good. Like, the only negative thing about Amazon is that the commissions are like very, very low. So they're very low percentage. Like, I think they pay out like maybe 4% a sale, which is crap to be honest, compared to Clickbank. Clickbank, they pay out like 80%, sometimes 70-80%. You can make like $100-$200 commissions, okay? So yeah, I personally wouldn't go for that. I'll just go for Clickbank stuff. But why I say that it's so amazing, the Amazon stuff, is because it's so easy to rank for like different product names, and those people that are like searching for those product names are like 99.99% they are looking because they want to buy that product. Like, it's a no-brainer. If I'm like searching for a product name and you know, like a certain kind of trainers or whatever, you know, I'm typing that in because I'm interested in buying that trainers. I'm looking to buy those trainers, okay? So that's why, in a way, I think that those kind of keywords that are like product related are very, very good. So anyway, yeah, that's about it in a nutshell of how you can make money without a website, without spending any money, apart from the $47, of course. But you don't have to. Again, like I said to you, you do not have to spend the $47. You can do it completely for free. You can learn search engine optimization, you can learn how to rank your videos, but like I said, that's the long way. That's going to take you a bit more time to do. You know, like you have to learn the backlinks, you have to learn how to do SEO, you have to learn how to do certain things. But with the Vidly software, literally, I'm telling you, it is gonna just make life so much easier for you. Like, within 30 seconds you are going to be able to rank one video in 30 seconds on a long tail keyword. Like, that's how freaking amazing it is. I've done it like each and every time. I've tested this out and it has worked for me. So yeah, this is just definitely a good software to invest in, but if you don't want to do it, it's completely up to you. But that's basically in a nutshell how you can make money for free on YouTube, promoting Clickbank products with no website. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in more upcoming videos. Take care.